If you've ever bought traffic and felt that sinking feeling when nothing happens, Bill McRia and Harris Feldman built AI Traffic Whale for that exact moment. AI Traffic Whale is their attempt to solve the problem most people never admit out loud, which is traffic that looks busy but does absolutely nothing. Let's start with the frustration you probably know too well. You finally get clicks, the stats move, you refresh the page a few times, then hours go by, no opt-ins, no replies, no sales. It starts to feel like you're paying for noise instead of people. That's not because you're lazy or clueless, it's because most traffic shows up with no intent and no patience. I've seen people get excited over numbers only to feel embarrassed later for believing they meant something. It's not the clicks that hurt, it's the hope you attach to them. When that hope keeps getting crushed, you start doubting yourself instead of the system. AI Traffic Whale comes at this from a business angle, not a motivational one. The idea is simple. Instead of chasing traffic everywhere, you tap into traffic that already exists and filter it based on behavior. The system focuses on people who are already reading and searching about making money online. That matters because intent changes everything. What this improves is control. You're not guessing where visitors come from. You're not forced to build complicated funnels just to test an idea. The pages are simple. The setup is guided. The goal is to let you see what works faster without burning weeks learning traffic theory. Now, there are real doubts worth talking about. This is still traffic. It won't magically fix a bad offer or unclear message. If someone expects clicks to do all the work, they'll be disappointed. But for someone who wants clearer feedback and fewer moving parts, this removes a lot of friction. From a practical view, the biggest benefit is less confusion. You know where people are coming from, you know what they were interested in. That alone can calm the constant second guessing that wears people down. Here's the simple takeaway. AI Traffic Whale doesn't promise miracles. It tries to shorten the distance between effort and insight. If traffic has been your biggest roadblock, this gives you a cleaner way to test without chaos. Before you decide on any paid traffic system, though, there's another option that costs nothing and focuses on clarity first. I'm Charles Draven from InfoSpike, and I put together a free system called AIfinity. It helps you create faster and stay organized without piling on stress. You get daily content prompts, simple sales page builders, tools for finding product ideas, and easy email sequence creators. You can reuse what you make instead of starting over every time. AIfinity keeps things clear so you can move forward with confidence instead of overwhelm. You can check out AIfinity using the link below in the description and see if that fits you better before spending a dime.